Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. It is Wednesday, September 13th, and this is our Lower Lynn second story addition project. We have got a ton of work done in the past week. The framing crew have all but finished up the eastern side of the home here. The main roof of the home is 100% done. We just need to get fascia on the front and back of it. Let's go inside and have a quick look and see what's going on. All right, so making our way up into the construction area here. You can see all of that bracing that was in before. A lot of it's been removed now. This type of truss is called a scissor truss. So it provides that vaulted effect on the inside of the home and has the affordability of using a truss. Very fast, easy to do. This is where we're at out here. See if I can get out and around the corner.